this is Maraj Kamran and you are watching Explore Chemistry. Today we are going to solve September exam past papers and the year is 2013. This is MCQ paper, so let's start. Question number 1 is, which of the following contains the same number of molecules as are present in 14 gram of nitrogen gas at STP? 14 gram of nitrogen gas contains, if you want to calculate number of moles, you have to divide 14 with molar mass of nitrogen gas, which is 28. So number of moles is 0.5. The gas which is containing same number of moles as nitrogen will have same number of molecules also. So here you need to calculate only number of moles. 22 gram of carbon dioxide, molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44, so you will get here same moles. 32 gram of oxygen, molar mass is also 32, you will get 1 mole. Similarly over here also, so this is the correct option because 0.5 moles will have same number of molecules in both the cases. So A is the correct option. Number 2, 1 decimeter cube of an unknown gas weighs approximately 2 gram at STP. A possible formula for the gas would be, if you need to find out the formula, you need to find out molar mass, and for finding molar mass you should know number of moles. Mass is already given. You will use the formula number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. Mass is given from 1 decimeter cube, you will find out number of moles. As you know, there is a relationship 22.4 decimeter cube is equals to 1 mole of any substance. So 1 decimeter cube will be equals to 1 divided by 22.414. and multiply by. So in this way you can get the number of moles of this gas. 1 divided by 22.414, answer is 0.044. This is number of moles 0.0446 and mass is 2 gram. So 2 divided by number of moles, you will get molar mass. 0.0446 is number of moles. So here you are getting 44. 2 divided by 0.0446, answer is 44.8 or 44, and 44 is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. You can calculate it. So A is the correct answer. Third is, if the actual yield of a compound is 1/3 of the value of theoretical yield, then the percent yield will be in the range of, for example, your theoretical yield is 9, so actual yield will be 3. According to the formula, actual yield divided by theoretical yield multiply by percentage multiply by 100, you will get this answer 33.33. So your answer is 31 till 34. You can assume different values also, but theoretical yield or actual yield should be 1/3 of theoretical yield. Number 4, which of the following set of quantum number is permissible or correct? Over here this is wrong. Spin quantum number value cannot be 0 or any whole number. It is always plus half or minus half. So this one is wrong. Let's check A. If n is 2, azimuthal quantum number value can be 0 or 1, so it is correct, and if it is 1, it can be -1, 0 or +1, so it is also correct. So according to this set, this is correct. Now check why C is not correct and D is not correct. If principal quantum number value is 2, azimuthal quantum number is always less than 2. It should be 0 or 1, it can't be 2. The same mistake is repeated over here also. So correct answer is option A. Number 5, which of the following rules is not followed in the given electronic configuration of an element X? So here you can see in these 3 degenerated p orbitals, 2 electrons are filled in px whereas pz is empty. So here Hund's rule is not followed, so A is the answer. Number 6, which of the following electronic configuration is correct for chromium plus 2? Atomic number of chromium is 24, so chromium atom electronic configuration will be 4s2 3d4 for 24 electrons. But when 2 electrons have been removed, these 2 electrons will be removed from 4s, so 4s will become 0. Option D is the correct answer, 4s0 3d4. Number 7, which of the following statements define an acid according to Lowry-Bronsted concept? Acids are actually proton donor, so they release a proton. This is the correct answer. Number 8, using Henderson's equation, a buffer solution is prepared containing 0.10 mole per decimeter cube of salt and 0.10 mole per decimeter cube of acid. Concentration of both acid and salt is same, you can see. If the pKa of acid is 1.5, then the pH will also be 1.5. If concentration of both salt and acid is similar, pH will be equal to pKa. So D is the correct answer. Study the given acid-base equilibrium. The best conclusion made about the nature of water from the above equilibrium is that it is, over here it is acting as acid because it is reacting with base. Over here it is acting as a base because it is reacting with acid. So water is amphoteric in nature in all equations. Number 10, which of the following represent the molecular geometry of the given compound? This is the lone pair. These are 3 bonds and geometry is trigonal pyramidal because it is the shape like pyramid. Option D is the correct answer. Number 11, which of the following molecule is non-polar in nature? NH3 is having lone pair, so it is polar. Similarly, NCl3 also is polar. H2O is having 2 lone pair. CS2 is just like CO2, which is not having any lone pair. So this is non-polar compound because dipole moment value will be 0 over here. Number 12, which of the following species exhibit paramagnetic behavior? The species which is having unpaired electron. So it is N2 minus 2. Normal nitrogen atom is having nitrogen molecule is having 14 electrons, so it will have 16 electrons with minus 2 charge, so it will have 16 electrons. 2 electrons will be filled in anti-bonding orbitals according to Hund's rule. So it will be paramagnetic because unpaired electron will be present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. 13, 14 and 15 also is not related to our syllabus. (16) also. Achha, you can do this 15 one also because this is related to liquid also. This process is actually distillation, so B is the answer. 16 is related to gases, but you can answer the smell of H2S gas can be felt due to diffusion. Number 17 is plastics are classified as amorphous solids having all of the following properties except do not possess definite heat of fusion. It is correct for amorphous solid. Have sharp melting and boiling point. This is wrong for amorphous solid. Do not have definite faces and angles. Correct for amorphous solid. Have an irregular arrangement. This is also correct for amorphous solid. This one is wrong. Number 18, a diamond crystal comprises of large number of unit cells joined together by a covalent bond. To form a huge structure, the unit cell undergoes an overlapping of what? In case of diamond, one carbon is attached with 4 more carbon atoms. Octahedral or tetrahedral is the structure. All carbon atoms are making single covalent bond. And whenever carbon makes single covalent bond, hybridization is sp3. So sp3 overlapping is present here. Which of the following reaction will reach almost to completion based on the given values of equilibrium constant? If equilibrium constant value will be highest, the reaction will be completed because it contains more product. So over here the value is highest in option D, so option D is correct. It will reach almost to completion. Number 20, which of the following sets of condition yields the highest concentration of calcium oxide product in the given reaction? According to delta H value, the reaction is endothermic, so temperature should increase, so reaction will move in forward direction and calcium oxide will increase. So option A, either or D is correct. Concentration of calcium carbonate, if it is increased, the reaction will move in forward direction. So in both A and D, higher is written. Concentration of carbon dioxide should decrease so that reaction will move in forward direction. So correct answer is option A. Temperature should increase, calcium carbonate should increase, but carbon dioxide should decrease. Number 21, 22 is not related. Similarly 23 and 24, 25, they are also not related to our syllabus. Now come on 26. An ideal gas absorbs 315 joules of heat from surroundings and at the same time does 228 joules of work. Heat is absorbed means Q value will be positive and work done by the system, it is written at the same time does 228 joules of work, means system is doing the work, and it is also written expanding. In expanding, system does the work, work is done by the system. So the equation for finding internal energy is Q plus W. Value of Q should be written in positive and value of Q should be written in negative because system is doing the work. So the correct answer is 315 minus 228. Answer is 87. Plus 87 is the correct answer. Number 27, which of the following is not a state function? So heat and work are not a state function, they are path function. They depends on path. A is the answer. Number 28, which of the following changes in the oxidation state takes place in carbon and hydrogen in given reaction? Carbon, if you will see, oxidation state is +2 here because oxygen is -2, but here it is +4, oxygen is -4. So from +2 to +4 it is changing. So either option B or option D is correct. Now let's see, hydrogen oxidation state is +1 here, but it is 0 here because hydrogen is present in free state. So from +1 till 0 it is changing. So option B is correct. Number 29, the standard reduction potential values of three elements E1, E2 and E3 are given. Which of the following shows the reducing power of the following element? Reduction potential values are given and E1 is having highest value, then E2, then E3 is having lowest reduction potential value. So reducing power of E1 is greater than E2, which is greater than E3. Option D is the correct answer. These values are of reduction potential. So highest reduction potential value means highest reducing power. Now number 30, hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere is bubbled through 4 different solutions of cations. Their standard reduction potential values are given. Which of the given solution of cations will oxidize molecular hydrogen. Hydrogen reduction potential is 0. So the species having higher reduction potential can oxidize hydrogen. If the species or hydrogen will react with a species having higher reduction potential than 0, then hydrogen will undergo oxidation and that species will undergo reduction. So it is M4 having positive 0.71 value, remaining values are having negative, M1 minus 3, M2 minus 0.1, M3 0.4. So M4 is the correct answer. If it will react with hydrogen, hydrogen is having 0 reduction potential, it will undergo oxidation and this species will undergo reduction. So it was all about year 2013. Next time I'll be right back with year 2014. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.